Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase troop capacity in Rise of Kingdom. Increasing your troop capacity in Rise of Kingdom helps your commanders lead stronger armies during battles and events. A fast method is using temporary army expansion buff founds by tapping the arrow beside the VIP section at the top left corner, which opens the city management menu. Under military strategy, you can activate basic or advanced army expansion buffs that temporarily raise troop limits based on your available resources or gems. You can also permanently increase troop capacity by upgrading your commanders and investing in talents that expand the number of units they can command. Using both temporary buffs and commander upgrades together is an efficient way to steadily grow your army size and improve overall battlefield performance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.